Hello everyone. Today, I will explain the Magento 2 Booking and Reservation extension. This extension allows you to create a single booking for multiple days or several bookings in one day. With slot-based quantities and dynamic event creation, managing bookings becomes effortless. Customers can see booking details directly in their cart, and admins can easily reserve slots. It is built on the Magento MVC and ORM systems, and it is compatible with the Hiva theme and includes GraphQL. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have user guides for these extensions in our blog sections where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. To begin, log in to the Magento backend. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Magento admin dashboard. In the left navigation bar, locate Catalog and click on it, then select Products. You will now be on the Products Management page. Click on the Add Product button and choose Booking Product. On the Add New Product page, enter the product name, SKU, and price. Select the appropriate tax class, add the quantity, set the stock status, and select the categories where you want to add the product. Next, navigate to the Booking Information tab and click on it. Here, you can add the relevant drop-down options. There are two options: many bookings in one day and one booking for many days. Now, let's check the workflow for many bookings in one day. Select the start date and end date of the booking. Enter the number of days in the Prevent Booking Before Days field. Click on Slot Has Quantity. It has two options, yes and no. For now, we will proceed with the no option for Slot Has Quantity. For this demonstration, I have already created a product named Doctor's Appointment. We'll use this product to explore the workflow. I have filled in all the required details. There is a time slot in minutes field, which means each time slot will have a duration of 50 minutes. Enter the break between bookings. I have entered 10 here, meaning there will be a gap of 10 minutes between two bookings of 50 minutes each. Select the days and times, including the start and end times, and choose the status accordingly, open or close. For example, I have selected Monday, with the shop open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Now, let's quickly check the integration on the front end. Let's review the Many Bookings in One Day product on the front end. Navigate to the front end and open the product page for Doctor's Appointment. Click on the Book Now button to select the available slots. Here, you can see notations for available slots, unavailable slots, booked slots, and reserved slots. For instance, on February 3rd, bookings are unavailable, so you cannot select it. However, bookings are available for February 4th and 5th. The slots are reserved for February 14th, according to the notations available. There are no booked slots at the moment. To demonstrate, I will select February 5th and choose the available slots. You can see that there are 1,000 available slots, showing the default quantity of the product as added by the admin. After selecting all available slots and adding the quantity, you can see a summary option enabled. In this case, 1,000 slots are selected for booking between 10 a.m. and 10:50 a.m. Finally, we will click on Book Now. Now, we will click on Proceed to Checkout and then click on Place Order. As you can see, your order number is generated. Click on the order number to view the order details. As you can see, our order is successfully placed for February 5th from 10 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. with a quantity of 1,000. Next, we will check the booking on the admin end. To do this, navigate to the Magento admin panel. In the left navigation bar, locate Booking System and click on it. Then, click on View Booking and select the respective order by clicking the View button. We can now see the booking details on the admin end. Now, let's navigate to the front end. Open the product page for Doctor's Appointment and click on Book Now. As you can see, there is zero quantity available for the slot on February 5th from 10 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. because all the available slots have been booked. To see the booked slots for a particular date in red, we need to purchase all the available quantities for all the slots on that day. I have created a booking from the admin end for February 7th. There is only one slot available with a quantity of 1,000, so I will place an order for this slot, and we will see the booked slots for that particular day. So, we will enter the total available quantity and then click on Book Now. Next, click on Proceed to Checkout and then click on Place Order. As you can see, our order has been successfully placed. Now, go back to the admin end to generate the invoice for the product. Click on the Invoice button to generate the invoice. Next, we can check the booking details on the product page for doctor's appointment. As you can see, it is now showing in red for February 7th. It's all about many bookings in one day with the time slot option set to no. Now, we will check how to reserve a booking from the admin end. For this, we will navigate to the Magento admin panel and look for Reserve Booking. First, choose the available dates to reserve on the calendar. I will choose February 27th. Next, we can select a specific booking slot. I am choosing 10 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. After selecting the time, click Close, and then click on the Save button. Now, we can check that the slot is reserved from 10 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. We can verify this on the front end by navigating to the product page of the doctor's appointment. Check for 27th February and confirm that the booking is reserved from 10 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. Next, we will check multiple bookings in one day with the time slot option set to Yes. For this, we will choose a slot with the quantity set to Yes. Enter the respective quantities. I have filled in the quantities and clicked the Save button. Now, navigate to the front end and check the available slots for the doctor's appointment. Click the Book Now button and select the dates. As you can see, on 5th February, the available quantity for Monday is 70. On Tuesday, the available quantity is 60. Now, let's check the same for 10th February. As you can see here, on Monday, the available quantity is 50. This way, we can manage the quantities for a particular time slot with the time slots option set to Yes. Now we will check the workflow of one booking for many days. For this, I have already created one product named Blue Shine Resort with a price of $1,000 and a quantity of 34. I have set the start date of booking from the 21st of January and the end date of booking to the 31st of March. I have set Prevent Booking Before Days to 1 and set Slot has Quantity option to No. I have added the booking from Monday at 10 a.m. to Wednesday at 9 a.m. Additionally, I have added a second slot from Thursday at 10 a.m. to Saturday at 9 a.m. Now, navigate to the front end and check the workflow for one booking for many days. I have already opened the product on the front end. Click on Book Now to see the notations for available and unavailable slots. Booked slots and reserved slots are shown in respective colors, so we can choose the options accordingly. As we can see that booking is unavailable for 11th and 12th Feb. The booking is available for 17th Feb. The slots are booked for 13th Feb, and the slots are reserved for 20th February. Now, I will show you how to purchase the product from the front end. For this, we will select the available slots accordingly. I will select 17th February. We can choose the slot quantities according to our needs. The slot quantity is shown as 34, the same as the default quantity added to the product. I will choose 5. After selecting the slots, we can see a summary showing that 5 slots are selected for booking between 17th February to 19th February. So, I will click on Book Now, and the product will be added to the cart. Click on Proceed to Checkout, and then click on Place Order. As you can see, your order number is generated. Click on the order number to view the order details. We have booked the Blue Shine Resort product from 17th to 19th February, and we can see the price details, the subtotal, and the grand total. Now, we will navigate to the admin end. In the left navigation bar, locate Booking System and click on it. Then click on View Booking and select the respective order by clicking the View button. We can see the details, and we can manage the order from the admin end. For example, we can invoice the order or cancel the order. Next, I will navigate to Catalog, click on it, and then click on Product. Now, select Blue Shine Resort and click on Edit. I will show you the workflow of the Slot Has Quantity option set to Yes. For this, I will select the option as Yes and enter the respective quantities into the respective slots. I have entered 50 for the Monday to Wednesday slot and 60 for the Thursday to Saturday slot, and I have clicked on the Save button. Now, we will navigate again to the front end and check the available quantities. For Monday, we can check the Monday slot, and as you can see here, the quantity is 50. For the Thursday slot, the quantity is 60. This way, we can manage the quantities accordingly from the admin end. Now, I will show you how to reserve a booking from the admin end. For this, I will navigate to the Reserve Booking section in the admin end. I will click on it, and a calendar will open to select available dates to reserve. I will select 24th February. Next, we can select the particular booking slot. I am selecting 24th February 10 a.m. to 26th February 9 a.m. After selecting the time, click Close, and then click on the Save button. Now, I will check whether the slot is reserved or not. For this, click on Reserve Booking. And here, as we can see, the slot is reserved for 24th February in the admin end. Next, we will navigate to the front end, and I will show you it is reserved there too. Refresh the page, click on Book Now, and, as you can see here, the slot is reserved for the 24th of February. For this, click on Reserve Booking. And here, as we can see, the slot is reserved for 24th February in the admin end. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.